This screencast will demonstrate how to install Oracle Application Server and bring it up to version 10.1.3.4 for Agile PLM. To start with, we're going to log in to our Windows Server 2008 virtual machine. Earlier I had created this virtual machine and I've already installed the database server and copied all installers necessary for Agile PLM. So I will navigate to the OAS install directory. Now, for Server 2008, you're required to make a change in a config file here for the certified version. You need to add 6.0. This is pointed out in the OAS installation guide for Agile PLM. Then we can run setup. It'll show us a certified version. It'll pass the prerequisite, and we move on to our installation screen. Now I like to have all of the Oracle products installed in my Oracle directory tree, so I added Oracle there. Also, I want an advanced installation. I don't want all of the Oracle Fusion middleware installed. I just want the web server and the J2EE server. So I will select those. Okay, so my instance, I'm just going to call it admin. Password is Agile1. This isn't configured as an administration instance. Now, one thing I typically do is I jot down my notes in the VMware summary screen, as you can see here. This makes it easy for anybody that wants to use this development virtual machine to get the information. They don't need to bother me for it. So now we can go ahead and install. Now again, this is a development implementation here. So if it was production, you might have a clustered environment or more complex deployment model. For development, testing Agile EC, any kind of SDK work, a standalone version is just fine. So for Agile, we also need to install a patch to bring it up to 10.1.3.4. So we're going to go into that installer and we will execute it. And we'll need to select the appropriate Oracle home for that product. And that was OAS 1. And again, the password was Agile1. And we will use this password later as well when we go ahead and deploy the PLM servlet. It's just letting us know that we're going to have to bounce the application server to install the patch. That's fine. And once disk 2. As you can see, installing OAS is very straightforward. It's a very easy to use product. And we are now done installing OAS. We make it a pretty common practice to take snapshots during each phase of the installation process. So we'll go ahead and do that at this time. Let's take a snapshot. We will call it OAS 10.1.3.4 installed. And we will not wait for this to finish, but it's important to use the snapshot capability within VMware. It gives you a restore point if something goes wrong down the road, and it